How to open snaps on Snapchat web. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can open up snaps on Snapchat web. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to open snaps on Snapchat web, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now, all you have to do is if you open up your Snapchat web over here, it doesn't let me view the snaps because it says new snap on mobile. Now on Snapchat web, just come to a conclusion that we can't do it. But you don't need a mobile phone to do this. What you can do is if not the Snapchat web, we have to download the mobile version of Snapchat and computer by using BlueStacks. And BlueStacks is actually an Android emulator that will help you run and play Android games on your PC. So download BlueStacks. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Now, once you've downloaded a BlueStacks, you'll see this type of interface when you open it. And here you'll find Google Play Store, of course. So click on Google Play here. And all you have to do is simply go ahead and search for Snapchat here and simply open up Snapchat. Once you've done that, you can say Snapchat, play on app player. Click on play on app player. And then you'll be able to see the mobile version of Snapchat pop up over here. And now you can just respective accounts. And once you log into your respective accounts, you'll be able to view those snaps and open up snaps on Snapchat mobile or Snapchat web. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.